even when I'm with family, I'm always looking for deals. And I got this toolbox for $25. Let's see what we got. Looks like some wrenches from Harbor Freight, but some on the bigger end, which is kind of nice. Some screwdrivers, which probably all cheaper end stuff, but that's okay. Some chisels. He threw these in, these Stanley chisels. So I don't know if they're anything too fancy. I've heard that if the longer the actual metal is, the better quality. So if it's this far in the handle, I don't know if it's a high quality chisel, but I thought it, it was nice for him to do that. Just, a lot of rusty tools. So maybe not the best purchase, but he did come down $5 on the price. Another chisel here from Stanley. Got some sockets from Blue Hawk. So I need to throw a lot of these in some vinegar, some Stanley. Husky, so decent brand there. Impact extension. Just gearhead. More rusty, crusty sockets that after a little bit of cleaning will look a lot better. Evercraft. And we got some cable cutters here. Some more wrenches. Paint can opener. Husky. Husky's pretty good. I've actually used a lot of their tools, and for the price point, you really can't beat it. Lifetime warranty, and they are seriously wonderful about the lifetime warranty. Crescent wrench. Or adjustable wrench. Whatever floats your boat. Another chisel. Stanley. It's a little guy, 1/4 inch. So all in all, a lot of tools. Clean a lot of them up, and maybe fill up my dad's toolbox. He's been needing some tools. Level 2 here. Looks like we got some tape measures, and then a really big pipe wrench. I have no idea what this is. Some kind of pry bar. Akron Style 10. It's like half of a hacksaw. Well, a full hacksaw, but no blades. Test leads. Lots of fittings. Some more useless than others. Tape measure. Allen keys. Popular Mechanic. I actually like sets like this, so hopefully a little rust prevention and treatment will help that. Say DeWalt? That says DeWalt. Again, this one's a little worse for the wear, but some penetrating fluid. We'll get that going. Oh, there's our blade. Another adjustable from Carlisle. That works pretty good. So $25, I mean, that's pretty darn good in my opinion. Did I need these tools? Well, that's a different question, but crescent wrench. And now I've added some stuff to my dad's toolbox. since he is missing a couple things. Besides what I left in my dad's toolbox, here's the tools that came in there. Did find some good USA tools, some kind of, not so good tools. I'll probably just fill in some empty slots in my socket trays with some of the sockets I found in here, and maybe keep a crescent wrench or two. And then a whole bunch of these random fittings. You never know what you'll find in these lots, so thanks for sticking to the end, and let me know below if you've found any cool lots yourself or any cool tools that you've come across, even within this set that I found. See you in the next one.